Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So today I am reviewing the Jeffree Cosmetics Thirsty palette, and it comes in this cardboard box with these chrome sort of droplets on it, which is really gorgeous if you ask me. And the actual palette looks like this. On the actual palette, the droplets are more of a clear effect. When you open up the palette, it has a mirror, which has kind of got my fingerprints all over it, and this is what the palette looks like on the inside. So the top row is all matte shades as well as the bottom row, and the middle row is a mix of what I would call foils and glitters. So I'll just show you Filthy Rich and Divine so you can see the difference. This one here looks more like a foil to me, whereas this one looks more like a glitter. So yeah, with this palette there are a lot of fun looks you can create. So you could use the more neutral shades to create a everyday look. Could use the middle section to create more glamorous looks, and you could even use these three to create a fun and colourful look. Look how pigmented these are. That's just a little touch on them. Things I like most about this palette is, one, it has a mirror, and a lot of my palettes don't actually have a mirror in them, which is a bit annoying and frustrating because at times when I want to do my makeup, I just want to grab the palette and look into it, because I don't actually have a mirror set up in this room at the moment. But yeah, so I'll be shuffling around looking for a mirror and be like, oh, which palette has a mirror? But yeah, this is a really good size mirror. Other things I like about this palette, as I said, it's very versatile. The colours do blend very easily. There are a lot of combinations to go with. Like, yeah, I really love the colour Beach, which is the one here, which I've used today. So if you wanted to see how the makeup's done, then keep watching, because there's a little tutorial on how I've done it. On the back of the actual cardboard packaging, it does have an attention message saying taste buds, beach and splash are not intended for use around the immediate eye, which I'm going to assume has something to do with the dyes in the pigments, but don't quote me on that. Yeah, I'm guessing it might be something to do with a little bit of staining, or I honestly don't know. But yeah, just thought I'd add that in here for those interested in this palette. It is a gorgeous palette. There isn't really anything I dislike about this palette at all. I don't know what else to say. The palette itself is gorgeous. If you are looking for a palette to create some neutral looks, some glamorous looks, some summery fun looks, tropical inspired looks, anything that you can think of, I think this is good palette. So if you're going to use the middle section, keep in mind it would be better to apply with your finger to get the best colour payoff. I know a lot of people who are interested in this palette are most curious about these. So that one was Divine. This one is Snatched. And look at that for one swipe straight down with my finger. Plunge, I'm not doing these in order. Plunge, Filthy Rich. And the last one is Lick, which is this one, which is another foil. So you can see that The three in the middle are glitter based. So if you're wanting to see how I've achieved this eye look, then keep watching and let's get on with it. I'm going to be taking the colour Taste Buds, which is this one. My base is a white concealer that's still somewhat wet, but I have blended it out a bit to the sides, so it's not as white as it could be. I'm just putting the Taste Buds towards the brow bone, just as a transition. Now I'm going to take the colour Bitch, which is this one here, on my Medusa's makeup contour brush, and just put that where I put Taste Buds, but bringing it down the lid. Okay, so I'm going to take Bitch down and underneath the eye a bit. Then I'm going in with Drizzle, which is the last colour in the palette, which is brown. And I'm just going to darken up the crease area and bring that along the lower lash line. I'm going to take a small angled brush and take the colour Quench, which is the yellow, and place that around the inner corners of my eye. Then I'm going to take more of it and drag onto the first section of the lower part of my eyelid. Then I'm going to take Lick, which is this gold right here, which is the foil type gold from the palette. And I'm going to just press and run that along my lids. Filthy Rich, which is the other gold, which is the glittery gold, and put that on the top of it. And I'm going to put some drizzle around that just to deepen it up a bit and to make the gold pop out more. So my camera died when I was filming, but all I've done is add some black eyeliner to my waterline and smoked it out a little bit. Then added a little bit of drizzle to the third portion of my lower lash line, a bit more Bitch in the center, and some of the Quench in the inner corner again. Then I went in with Luna and Eclipse from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, just for the inner corners, and did a little wing with some liquid eyeliner, added my mascara and some false lashes, and that was that. So yeah, this is the finished look, and to be honest, I kind of like it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!